comes to search and advanced search, it really is where you can really get into social listening as a completely different thing than when you're getting your feed from a platform directly. It's a completely different way of looking at things. And I'm just going to go through some of the main categories real quick, and then I'll explain some of the more commonly used ones. So at a basic search, we have the basic things that you'd expect, such as the campaigns, and you can just click on one or multiple campaigns if you want to cover them in the search. Then you have the keywords, and the search text, which searches the contents of the post. And this is where the sentiment is. So you can filter by sentiment, you can filter by date range, by level of engagement, by platform, by language, or by semantic search, where you can just describe the types of things that you're looking for using natural language. That's at a basic level. But then we get into other more interesting things, such as content classification, which is where we say, okay, well, how do we classify this particular post? Was it just a mention? Is it a review? It's a complaint? It's a question? Then we have content categories. And then here, this is where we try to figure out if the post that we're looking at is more, it sounds more newsy, or is it just conversational? So if you're looking for, more newsy type content, this helps. Also, this is another filter. AI recommended, show spam only. So without getting into you can go through it one by one, but it gets very, very granular here. People mentioned, organizations mentioned, locations mentioned, and then location intelligence, where we try to figure out, we infer the location or the context from the context. One of my favorites is metadata analysis, where we get to filter by emotion, by user intent, by brands mentioned, products mentioned, and authors filter. If we want to look for only verified users or business accounts, or based on where the location of the author is. Media and content, has transcript, sponsored content if it's an advertisement. And of course, if the content includes any sensitive data, let's flag that as well, and we do. And so, as an example, when we say, well, let's search for Kroger under the Kroger campaign. Maybe I'm looking for things about, let's take Target. And I can see some of the content here about Target, or flagged or tagged with Target. And then I can go dig deeper, and I can go and say, okay, cool. Let me get all the anger ones. And now I can see, and you can see here, this is the sentiment. This is a negative sentiment 0.60. It's a very, very negative sentiment. This is very negative. As you can see, someone is very upset here. So we can look at this and we can filter, and then so you have all these different filters and levers you can use to drill down and find the exact type of post that you're looking for, but it's a lot. So the best thing I can do is then say save search, and angry Kroger mentions post Target. And so now I have my saved search here, and I can go here and I can look at it anytime, run this search, and it will run the same search again for me. And go back, and I can see it's been run 4 times here. And that's how you make use of the search. Go ahead and play with it, and try it and see what you can find.